Hello everyone and welcome to Cardiff Food Festival. We're live on Welsh Water's Facebook page on Facebook Live. We're here all weekend, Welsh Water here. There's a lot of exciting, really exciting things happening. If you're wondering who I am, why the hell have I popped up on your Facebook? Well, my name's Kai Morgan. Over the next 8 weeks, over the summer, I'm going to be making videos and a vlog series for Welsh Water, talking about all the amazing work they do all around Wales, and also talking about the summer consultation, super important consultation where they're asking us, the water bill payer, to kind of where Welsh Water and where we want them to invest in the future. Where do they see Welsh Water decades from now? So you're going to be able to take part in this consultation. It literally takes like 4 minutes. It's super simple to take part in. And you can do that at a lot of festivals around Wales this summer. If you're going to the Eisteddfod, the Royal Welsh, if you're coming down this weekend to the Cardiff Food Festival, you'll be able to take part and do it on the small iPads by here. If you're not going to one of these festivals this summer, don't worry. You can take part online on their Facebook pages. There's a chat bot, so you can literally do it via a Facebook chat, or you can just log on to their website, doercymru.com, have your say, and that's where you'll be able to take part in the consultation. So, how easy is it? Why should you take part? Well, this is all the consultation is. Just check this out. So, here, actually, it might not, there we go, just about be able to see. It's just these emojis, every question, just go through it. Yeah, that's important to me. Working with nature to reduce flooding and pollution risks. Yes, that is quite important to me. Yes, next question. Come on. There we go, bam. Working with nature for cleaner water. Yeah, that's quite important to me. Next question. So that's all it is. That's really all it is. It's really super simple to take part in, and you go through it all. And then once you come to one of these festivals, then you can speak to one of the really cool members of staff that work for Doer Cymru to find out more. Here, I've got Danielle. Hi, Danielle.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Busy weekend ahead?
Yeah, very busy,
Cool.
nice weather, so yeah.
Excellent. So tell me more about the consultation.
So because we're not for profit, it means that we can speak to customers and know what's important to them. So we're asking them about our long-term investments and challenges and what is important to them in the community. So we're giving them a chance to have their say and then grab a free water bottle as well.
Excellent. So I've just taken part in that consultation.
Yeah.
So does that mean I get one?
Of course, yeah.
Excellent.
Come over here.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
Excellent. And that's all it is. You take part in the consultation, come on down, come and have a chat with the lovely members of staff here at Doer Cymru. Get your water bottle. I'm going to try and open it and have a little drink to see how actually good this water is. It's kind of like not opening. There we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Water. Iechyd da. Cheers. And that's all you have to do. So come on down to this weekend, Cardiff Food Festival, take part in the consultation. As I said, it's literally going to take you 3 minutes to do. You get a free water bottle and free water, of course, for taking part. Don't forget also to subscribe to Welsh Water's YouTube channel, like them on Facebook, and follow them on Twitter to see where I'm going to be going in the main series, the vlog series, Reservoir vlogs over the summer. And that's all I got to say. So yeah, chin chin.